Like, if I
Alright.
practice my walls and of course my ults, I could be good.
We attacking or defending first?
Attacking.
Attacking.
So what's
Oh,
the
we are
comp?
attacking.
So unless you're on our team, you need to be muted right now. Okay, what's the comp? I remember May, Ryan, and then
Winston.
Winston. So
Zen.
Lucio.
so Orion, you're gonna be on the Winston, and then the supports can do whatever. Solely you back on the May, and then I'll go Ryan. And then I don't know
Okay.
what the supports prefer.
Ken, just in case.
Oh wait.
Go McCree.
Can wait.
Ken,
Actually, not yet.
Can
not
you
yet.
play May, Ken? How's your May, Ken?
I don't really play her too much either.
How about your Winston?
Can't play it Winston.
Alright, you're on Berg.
Okay, I can burp her.
Alright, so does everyone know what he means by arch?
Right. Wait.
So we go right,
Right side.
all the way up the stairs through
Yes.
building to their spawn. Their spawn.
Okay, that area.
And then
Gotcha.
that's arch, and then we take their high ground up there.
Okay.
Yep. And if they have a fair mercier again, I'm gonna want an instant. And I'll tell you.
Okay.
This is my last game for sure.
Alright, let's get it. Focus.
Far right, please. Far right.
Ryan's holding up with an Ana and Lucio.
Can you speed this little part right here?
Run through. Alright. So we drop here. Wrong side out.
They're running Sombra,
Yep.
Oh, I thought we were gonna.
Now we take their high ground right here.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Get the
Run.
Rounds one. Rounds one, dead. Huge. Okay.
We want to take high ground,
Take high ground. I'm pushed down.
Yeah, I'm up with you.
Someone else needs to be up here with me. High ground, guys.
Ana.
Oh,
Okay, we do the same
Yep.
thing, but this time instead of fighting low ground, push high ground. Like
Half the team went high ground, half the team went low ground, and that's what messed it up. If everyone went high ground there, it's cap.
Alright.
Okay, we have to wait just a second.
Watch Sombra. She might hack backline, so I'm gonna stay back a bit.
Wait,
Okay.
sit this up. I'm gonna peek for just a second to see what's happening. They misclicked. Let's go. We're ready. Okay, everyone in here. I have shatter, so if they push us.
I'm behind. Sombra in the back. Sombra in the back.
Sombra behind.
Okay, go.
Remember, take higher ground. Drop down. Right side. Come on.
Before we go high ground, stack on run. Stack on run. Alright. Whoa.
No, I'm sorry. Down. It's down.
It's too late.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I saw the Ryan out of position and I was gonna shatter, and then I didn't expect the. Okay, same thing.
You have volts.
We have Blizzard.
Need to call Discord still.
They have. They don't have McCree.
Preferably the Ryan.
They don't
They
have
might have
speed.
grab here.
They don't have Nano. They don't have Shatter. They might have
probably
Grab. They might have EMP. They're gonna
They have
EMP grab.
VMP.
Addy, stay back. Like, stay far back.
Let me farm B.
No,
and
no
on the
matter
side.
no matter what you do, don't pop a beat unless you didn't get EMP'd.
Right.
Yeah, because they're gonna EMP grab, so we need to like have support to stay back to counter, or
Hit the high ground. Come on, push the high
there
ground.
it is.
I got hit by it.
My shield got hacked.
They still have grab.
I didn't.
Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same exact thing one more time, but I'm gonna ult. And we're gonna walk up to the high ground.
We have all our ults here.
We'll push them up the high ground, then fight them on point. We'll use man.
Yeah, we need
Save-
to actually take the high
Fail
ground.
for
If we
point.
ever do that, we're gonna win.
How
Alright.
long till amp?
I'm popping now. I have it. 3, 2,
Let's go.
1.
Zarya? Zarya?
Zarya.
I'm taking high ground to get
Right
you
now.
out.
I'm freezing him.
Focus on, focus on.
Ryan,
Nice.
Ryan.
No, there's Anne in the back.
Anna,
I'm in the back.
We shouldn't have killed her.
That's fine.
Okay.
Make sure they don't have-
Brigida, no, Lucio, cap point, everyone else take. Come on. We don't need 3, just come on. And then Lucio, it's your job to push for now.
McCree's high ground was Zar.
Do we push high or we stay low?
Yeah, let's push high. Let's push high. Come back for us.
Oh, or that way? Okay.
Yeah. They have Doom now. Zarya.
Dude. Ryan's one.
Oh, I got slept.
Okay, someone,
cart, guys.
just guys cart.
Somebody on cart.
Yeah, I'm going back.
That's Lucio's
I
job.
just came to give a little bit of help.
Okay.
Alright.
Zen. Brigida, come help me get the Zen. Just make sure he's okay. Yeah, I'll get back now.
Yeah, no.
Lucia's up here.
Orion, you're alone.
Wait,
Okay.
they're on.
Run back.
Got to drop right now.
Doofus one.
He's healed.
I'm gonna whip around the corner and get their support.
see that?
Ryan.
Don't use ults.
Wow.
No ults, no ults.
Zarya on point.
Zarya on cart, Zarya on cart. No personal, just pop it.
Nice. Frostbite is
Nice.
showing.
Oof. I got slip again. I'm gonna.
Lucio,
Jesus.
Lucio.
The
We
main
have spawn advantage. Sorry, I was trying to block the Ryan in.
Fine, I misplayed so hard.
Focus on.
Yeah, seriously, he's in our spawn.
He got staggers really hard.
I'm gonna help push point. I'm just.
Can we take an early Blizz? No, wait.
Let's
When they
see.
stack up,
I
let's
could.
use Blizzard. They don't have any.
Do one cart, push him away.
He's one.
He's dead.
Big.
Hope I run.
Ryan's dead.
Got pinned again.
Oh, big.
Oh, the big anime.
Oh, he's dead. Get him. They're all wall.
I think we can win this fight. Lucio. Nice. Zarya. She's low. She's one.
I don't have anything for it.
Bubble, we're fine. Not fine.
We're not. It has to be.
How long has my mic been muted?
Too long.
While.
That is
Okay, I really don't like this point. This.
Focus around.
Killable.
You should have agreed behind.
someone stack that down.
Just reset.
Okay, Ryan.
Okay.
We still have Blizzard.
Ow.
We're gonna use that to wipe them, and then we should have Shatter by then to get
Oh,
them
McCree's
out of
double in.
spawn.
McCree's one.
Just get out.
I
They're all
don't-
in this room. We need to get out of there.
Can you throw Blizzard?
We should push in here. Come on.
True. Okay. Oh, they're out.
Ampy, here we go.
No.
Oh, they left.
Look here.
Look for Blizzard.
McCree? McCree hack?
No.
Do him above.
Oh, yeah.
Do him above.
Got McCree.
Yeah, I'm getting bullied too hard. We have to switch.
Run.
Focus on.
Lucio on me one.
Oh, we have 25 seconds. God, the Ana's in the back. We need to put pressure on
Ryan,
her.
Line one.
Run there.
Doom.
Where is he?
Where's Doom go?
Up top.
Oh, he's in the
High ground.
Low.
One.
Disfooted. Yeah, yo.
Slow. Come back.
They
Ana?
have a far.
On a disfooted. Fair disfooted up there.
Far above gate.
They don't have a mercy for her, so she should be killable.
Run.
Run frozen.
Doom.
Where is he? He's dead.
Ryan's one,
Yeah,
Ryan.
he's dead. Let's focus
Where's
right here.
Farrah?
Let's
Where's
focus right here.
Farrah? Farrah dead.
Oh, nice, man.
They have shatter.
They do.
Line one.
He's frozen.
Nice.
Lucio. Keep going.
Zarya now.
Go for Zarya. She's the one. Nice.
Oh my god, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Sorry, I played like crap that round.
Good job, guys.
Way to pull it back, guys.
True, true.
This is gonna be awesome on defense, to be honest, because they're gonna try and rotate the exact same way.
You know they're gonna run a Pharah.
They are.
Yes, 100%. I want y'all to anticipate for a Pharah.
And go McCree.
I want y'all to run.
We're gonna have to get a little bit more heals here. Actually,
Try
no,
this comp. Do Orisa, Diva, Ana, Zen, McCree, and Torbjorn.
Torbjorn.
Yes.
Torbjorn. Let's get it.
Okay.
This is an
Okay,
anti-Pharah
explain-
comp. Anti-Pharah.
Oh, that's all.
Wait,
we
where are
do?
we holding? Boat?
Huh? Yes.
Okay.
Left side or right side?
We're gonna hold right side.
Wait. We want to hold boat and not buy boxes on top.
Correct. Because if they come from stairs, which they might do with a Goat's Rush, y'all aren't gonna get. Y'all have more time to react if y'all hold right.
If they do that, do we stay up there or do we rotate back?
You need to rotate down because you can't fight them like that.
Alright.
You need to play the footsie game with them.
Alright.
But this is just anti-Pharah because you know that they're probably anticipating you all to run the exact same thing.
Can we get our Torb up here?
Yeah, no, I was placing a turret for some oldie.
Oh no, I thought we had our Lucio.
Yeah,
so-
yeah,
ready?
yeah.
I'm
Okay,
good.
that's
I'm
fine.
here. Okay, wait for cooldown. I'll have it by the time they're here. Yep, there it is. Good call on that. They're going left. They're going left.
They have a somewhere.
Fire low.
Very low.
You're anti.
Hey,
Back up,
okay,
back
I
up.
got subbed off. I'm gonna die.
Oh my god. What are we doing?
We got
I'm dropping.
Somber,
This is
somber on the
weird.
left, somber on the left.
We need to drop. We need to drop.
I had to drop alone and I'm dead now.
Run.
Gotta get healed.
Winnable. Ana. Everyone Ana. Ana Discord.
I'm dead.
Fair now.
Mercy one.
We shouldn't hold high ground in platinum when people don't know how to use it. That's the scary thing about holding high. People don't know how to use it.
Alright. What
That's
do
a-
we want to swap?
I don't know. This is still fun. I mean, they're running pharmacy.
Yeah.
It's the count.
Alright.
This is the counter to far. Mercy's half.
Addy, make sure your Discord's always
Versus
on the
one.
Pharah.
Mercy's one. Mercy's one.
Oh,
Ah,
versus
shit.
one.
There is Discorder. Ryan, keep me please. I can't hear you.
Fuck, you missed the easiest nail on the fucking.
Someone behind us.
Can't be Sarah.
Fine. They're waiting because we killed Mercy.
Ryan, make sure you're targeting the Pharah as well.
What do we
Someone
want to
stay
nano
near
on
us.
this comp?
There's no nade,
Probably the Orisa.
They
Can
sucked
you
the
move shield
monkey.
up just a bit? Move shield up just a bit. Thank you.
I just can't do anything yet.
Should have saw that coming.
Yeah.
Just don't do anything. Just AFK or whatever. Just die.
Okay, I need to go Widow here. I don't know. For a counter
Okay,
Pharah, I'm
This
not
next
doing
fight, we have
anything.
to be careful not to overcommit. I mean, we're either gonna lose it or win it. 6 ults. If we pop all and lose it, we're gonna lose the next point very fast. We're not even gonna be able to touch. I mean, we can't. Don't. You're feeding. Okay. Guess we're pushing.
We going in, boys.
Big
On the heels in the back. Anna, come in the back.
Oh.
That's a good bomb.
I slept Slumber behind.
He killed her. If you have
We need
nade.
to make sure we stay on cart.
I didn't have
Oh,
nade.
dude.
Alright, yeah, that's it.
Nice
Alright, let's swap this.
Y'all have got to find a way to deal with the Pharah.
You think
This
we
is anti mercy.
Just gonna swap.
can- Winston's gonna guide me? Yep, here he is.
Alright, Addy.
One.
You,
shot.
your chance. You might want to switch to like a Lucio or something, to be honest.
Lucio with this?
Just to keep you alive more.
Okay.
Well, let's use Transit
Okay.
and then swap to
Okay.
a healer that you can stay alive as.
Alright.
Let's help her run. Help her run.
Play this corner,
Hey.
please.
Purple.
Sombra.
Their Sombra's gonna hack me. Oh, never
Sombra
mind.
dead.
Fall
Sombra
back,
dead.
fall
Sombra
back.
dead.
I'm dead.
Oh,
Monkey,
Use the
monkey,
high
monkey,
ground,
monkey,
use the high
monkey,
All
ground.
monkey,
hit
monkey.
scans are dead.
There. There, one, got her. Look at him, thank you, good job.
No tanks here.
Alright, let's. We
You need a
them.
touch? You need a touch?
Do we have anyone there that can touch?
Very low.
Oh, he solo EMP'd me.
You got the Venomec.
Can I get healed, Lord?
I can't, I'm dead, I'll be back in a minute.
Fair is still one. Fair is still one. I'm going for her.
I'm asleep.
I got her.
Monkey one, monkey one, monkey one.
Wow, that's so many criticals, I'm bolting.
Oh fuck, I need heal, guys. What the?
If you, and this is why we need the Zarya. Because I'm gonna die, maybe? Never mind.
Winston's
Yeah.
low, Winston's low, Winston's killable.
Don't C9? Yeah. That's why we need Zarya not to push. I was the worst. game
Nobody
of my
was
life.
touching. Nobody was touching, so I had to go up.
It's
Okay. I
I was the closest
I
one
need to go.
touch.
I need to go because I'm having such a bad. I just that game was really bad and I need to go anyway. So, thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Okay. Sorry about that. I got worse and worse as the day went on.
No, man.
And see
No
ya.
worries.
If there's anything really important that I need to know, just put it in the general chat for our team and
For us.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Wait, we're all done?
I'm
Well,
not
we have,
sure. I
like,
don't have a
3
maintain
people.